that time of the year we decorate and enjoy and just have fun as a family. So join me as I decorate my kitchen cabinet. These are the things I will be using. I have bowls, I have a ribbon, and I have glue. So let's jump right into decorating. I'm also gonna be using a scissors. So this is my DIY. So let's pray everything works out the way I actually plan or I have it in my head. Okay, all right. This is a demonstration of what I'm doing at the back of the cabinet. So you take your ribbon after you've done your measurement and you cut it. All you need to do is you take your glue and you put it at the end of the ribbon. You can put it on either side of the ribbon. You wait for a couple of seconds, and when it's a little bit dry, you now glue it together. So I'm gonna cut 8 of this. That's 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was able to get 7 for the longer cabinet, so these will work. For the smaller cabinet, one may not have a ribbon, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work. This is what is gonna help us do the magic. That smells like chemical. This was as easy as ABC, so I'm gonna do all the cabinets and I will be right back. So this is what I'm working with. I ran short of my ribbons, so but this side is taken care of, this side taken care of, but above the refrigerator, the 2 little cabinets, we don't have anything on them, so I will do that later. But let's focus on this side. I'll have to go back to Walmart and get 1 more ribbon. So let's do this part. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together. Oh my God. This is the next thing we have. I'm gonna glue these on the cabinets. So let's take them out and glue on the cabinets. Yes, baby, I'm excited. Are you excited? I can actually just tie these without gluing them. Should we tie it? Let me try tying it, and if it works, fine. If it doesn't, I will just go ahead and glue it. What do you guys think? I don't like it because it's twisting the ribbon. Let me glue one and see how it looks. What do you guys think? One tied and the other one not tied. I love this one better because it looks better. So I'm gonna glue it. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna show you guys the other side, but I absolutely love this. Like, there's just another feeling when you DIY a thing and then it comes out looking exactly the way you had envisioned it. Because what? I love this. This would have cost me $100 if I wanted to get it on Amazon or online basically, but it cost me less than nothing because I got this for less than 25 bucks at Walmart, and I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know, but I love it. So let me show you guys what the other side looks like. This is what the other side looks like. As you guys can see, I ran out of both the bows and the ribbon. I'm gonna get that from Walmart. That's an easy fix, but I love this. I love this. Oh my God. Look at that. It's screaming Christmas. This is the final look. I was able to get more ribbon and bow for the remaining cabinet. So this is exactly what we have. We have finally come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. For more home related videos, follow my channel, click on the subscribe button because we're going to have a lot of home related videos coming your way this season and even after this season. I appreciate your time and your support to my channel. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.